Hey guys, it's Gamer Hero here today. How have your PS4 controller not been working? Well, you're gonna find out how to fix it. So, first, you want to take a charger, plug it into your system. Okay, well, my PS4 controller broken, and I found out how to do it. So, if you get the white blinking white light, you're never, and you don't know how to get it back connected, well, here's a plan. Okay, so get your charger plugged in, take your PS4 controller, make sure your PS4 is off. Okay. Then you want to take your plug. See it? Okay. And then you just slowly plug it in. Okay, wait. Okay, so after you have plugged your PS4 controller in, make sure your PS4 console is on. Okay, let's go. See that? I'm gonna have to stop. Okay, so just plug your PS4 console in, plug your controller in, and then, yeah. You gotta make sure your PS4 is off. I'm just leaving mine on. Turn your controller on, and then you should have your blue light back. Okay. So, this is what you actually gotta do. Okay. Go make sure the charging symbol on, and then press the PS4 button. And then boom, it's fixed. Okay. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out. Oh, wait. My new Halloween decoration. It's a ghost. See the bath on the side? And actually now, peace out.